Hey, if you've been having problems with lower back pain and you can't get moving or around, this video is going to be for you. I'm Dr. Greg Gersten with Align Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove the issues in their lives to wind up leading amazing, fantastic lives. Today, what I want to go over is a couple of stretches for individuals who are in so much pain that they can't get to lying down. If you can get to lying down, I'm going to send you over to this video right here where you wind up getting our 3 best stretches. But if you can't get to laying down, here's where we're going to start. I'm just on a table here. You can be on your bed or on a couch or wherever you may be. And the first thing that I want for you to do is to slowly just bend forward. And you're going to bend forward as far as you can, and you're going to hold it for 10 seconds. You'll do this 4 times. If this causes you any pain, I want you to stop. Reach out to the chiropractor in your area to get this checked out because you need more help than you currently are getting. Okay? If you don't know one of your area, write down below and I'm going to do my best to wind up finding it for you. Second exercise that I want to see you doing and see if you can do is you're going to cross your legs over. Okay? We're going to do it as though we're reading the paper, old school style, and then we're going to wind up leaning forward again. This you're going to feel a bit more in your glute area, and you're going to hold that for 10 seconds. You're going to then switch sides to doing this on the other side. 10 seconds. And once again, if this causes you any pain, we stop, we look to get more advanced help. The last step or next stretches I want you to do is to just be seated. I want you to lean over to one side, 10 seconds, and I want you to lean over to the other side for 10 seconds. If you're able to get through these can help with a little bit of a shock and awe for right now, but then we need to get you to a correct chiropractor. We've been helping people throughout the Chicagoland area with it. We've got our office in the Chicagoland to get yourself better. Once again, my name is Dr. Greg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.